Today they call pasta salad. I try garlic sausage, which I was worried in the beginning, but turned out more than good. Try. If you don't like it, say, well, Mariano, you're making me do something I don't like it. But if you like it, say, hey, Mariano, it was all right. Very good pasta. What do you call it? Pantanella. Oh, they say how many minutes to cook. I don't care. I'm gonna try anyway. But you don't forget to put salt in there when you cook the pasta, because the pasta without salt tastes really dull, plain. I don't know if I say the right word. So you have to remember to put a bit of salt. And that's the water. You can see the big pot I did today. I got a piece here, see? I steam it. You see there's a water underneath, but don't touch it, the steam it, don't touch it, the piece, because they lose a lot of flavor if you. Okay, I started preparing some stuff here, okay? We have to cut it very, 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 very thin, because, it's not hard, but raw, eh? That's a celery, very tender, crunchy. People love it. People got better teeth than me, they love it. There, that's one item. Now, Endives, it's in the lettuce family, lettuce, but it's a special lettuce. Yeah, that's Endives, that's enough. That's nice too. They're sweet. They're not hot. They're not, come se dice, picante. Very dolce. Yeah. I never use a seed. Never, no. Even this, it has to be very, very thin, eh? I think if I cut it like this, it's better. See that? I never learned. I'm too young to learn, I think. It takes a time because it's small thing. You have to watch it not to cut your finger. What else? Oh yeah, it's from my garden. They are very, very tender. Cucumber, washed already. Yeah, that's from the garden. My garden. Oh, okay. What else I got here? Oh, green onion. Cipollina verde, I think they call it in Italia, yeah. That's my tomato from the garden. I can go like this. See, look. We'll see tomato like that in the store. There's nothing but water and seed, see? That's why I like my stuff. See, very, very few seeds. That's what I like of the tomato. But tomato is easy. But when you got celery, and when you got the cucumber, you can cut it. Yeah, some people, they don't care, they put it in the mouth. You have to cut it. This for old people or people like me, only few teeth. No, it's nice. To me, I think it looks even better, so the big chunk. But hey, if you want to cut it a bit thicker, so go. Do what you want to do, what you think is right for your dishes. Trevisana, magna radici, see? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What else I got? This meat is already cooked. I told you lots of times. You can eat the way it is. If you want to warm it up, or depends on how you want to eat it, but there's nothing wrong to eat it the way it is, okay? Now, I'm going to cut it really thin, okay? Like this. And then I cut some more later. I like to do this because it's too big. This way. And then cut again this way, see? There you go. I prepare for now because pasta is not ready yet. I can feel it with the fingers, not ready. So we prepare more stuff here. I put it after, why not? We got it there. We go for this, and then if you need more, I judge after when there's in the thing, eh? Okay, this one here, I never use it, but I think I have to rinse it because it might got a little bit too much salt, okay? So I want to rinse it. I want to try because, like I said, I never used it before. The bit salty, but nice, yeah. Never used it before. Yeah. Oh, you know what I needed? Now I remember. When you work, you have to drink a little bit. Yeah. The salute, guys. Yeah. That's good wine. Yeah. What do you call diboza? In Ukrainian, they call diboza. A salute. Yeah, very nice. Feel good now. Now I feel good. Okay, now we got the pasta out. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's the pasta. Put a little bit of the stuff too, why not? And then we put the oil and vinegar. Around the bottom, we got a little bit of everything. Okay. See, we don't worry if we get cold because it's the pasta, right? It's nice. There's still not too cold. You know, this time of year is good for eat this like that. There's nothing wrong. Oh yeah, that's coming good. A little bit of copper, like we said. Hey, look. Oh, I love it when I see that. That's very good. Now, we put the sausage. If it's not enough, we put some more. Okay? Yeah. Oh, no, I'm gonna put some more. I can see that. Yeah. There you go. That's some more sausage. A lot of stuff. Here, I put it all. Why not? What else? Vegetable, nothing can go wrong with vegetables. Vegetable is good. Oil, olive oil. Yeah. Okay. It's a lot of stuff here. Okay. My special vinegar here. This is half a balsamic and half a vinegar and half a wine vinegar. Yeah. Let me try because Rita she. Ooh, it's good. A little bit sweet. Ooh, oh, you got a bit too far. Sorry. Oh, this is good. I have to clean in there, okay? Sorry, guy, but sometimes I make a mess too. It's not a big mess, but now we start with a condiment in the pasta. See, look at it. Don't tell me it doesn't look good. I can smell that the vinegar in there is the best. Not too much salt because salt is no good for blood pressure. But there's lots of meat here, so there. That's it. I don't want to put no more. Ooh, smell the peppers very good. We got three, four different kind of peppers here, see? So we can call maybe a lady and see what she say. The boss of the house here, see if she says good.
Ooh, yeah. Wow.
Nice for you to eat now, huh?
Ooh.
Okay, we see what you say.
We got for all lemon to
Okay.
here.
I told
Wow,
you,
that's
I had a
wonderful.
lot of stuff, eh?
Mamma
The meat
mia.
and all the vegetable.
Wow,
okay,
wow.
I'll give you some to try. Oh, you know what? You need in there.
What? Oh, Parmigiano. Okay.
Okay,
That's good.
are you-
Oh, yeah. That's good
Okay.
for me.
There you go. Go a little bit.
more.
Well, you don't have to
More. That's it.
Okay.
Oh, that's very, very good.
Ah, now it look good.
Now, wow, hallelujah.
That's nice.
Beh, no, provo.
Try and see what you say. How's that?
Oh, wow.
Good, huh?
This is number one.
It was now way better than the one we make last year. I make a one time.
Wow.
Good, huh?
You like pasta salad, nonna?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very much. Mwah. Yeah, see? No, ma va a cagar. Salute.
Salute.
Mariano, yeah.
No.
This way.
Yeah, put it up in the mouth, otherwise I drink your too.
I gotta move this arm. Okay, this way. Yeah.
I don't know what you're doing.
Rita, that
okay.
way,
This
that way, my Lord,
This
Codillo.
way. Okay.
Yeah, you
Go,
forgot,
go,
yeah.
Go for.
Go. So now, we are crazy, dico, the whole we got, più matti diventa qua gente, dico.
You know what me? That's love.
Yeah, Rob, yeah.
Yeah.
Please watch my video, try the stuff in there. Especially, it says no good. It don't have to be 40 degrees above to eat the stuff. You can eat in the winter too, but now it's no winter. It's more for summer because they call salad, a lot of it. But you can eat anything. There's nothing wrong with that. You eat a big dish of that, a glass of wine, maybe if you want a piece of cheese in the side, or a piece of meat. You can use a pork chop or a small little steak or a sausage beside the pasta, glass of wine. You okay? Okay? See, you don't have to get fancy food. Okay? Alla salute.
Mariano, throw that inside.
No.
No.
Salute a tutti.
Ciao everybody.
Oh, sole mio.